Did you know this creature? If Freddy Krueger had a favorite dinosaur, it'd be the Therizinosaurus. This prehistoric giant rocked claws that measured over 3 feet long, longer than most human arms. But here's the twist. Despite looking like a plant-shredding nightmare, Therizinosaurus actually used those terrifying talons for eating plants, not hunting other dinos. Imagine walking through a forest and spotting a dinosaur with salad tongs straight out of a horror movie. Its long neck and potbelly made it a gentle giant, but those claws? Pure prehistoric drama. Click subscribe if you want more fun facts like this.